It's the hair for me. Good morning, Monee gang.
Jingle bell, bell, jingle bell,
We are in the bathroom right now. We are currently whispering. It's currently 7:37 in the morning, guys. And y'all know we by ourselves and we whispering. We got something up our sleeve. We gotta plan, though. We gotta plan. Involving Reese cups. Y'all remember the last prank we did, me and KK and the other kids? If you didn't, go make sure you check that out after this video. TV screen prank on my mom. But today, I know y'all probably wondering why we doing Reese cups. We're getting pops. Don't be getting my daddy today, y'all, and we getting him good. We got the Reese cups with the Prestos inside. I want y'all to see that. We finna get him so good, y'all. Okay, so if y'all know my daddy, so he be in the basement a lot. That's his man cave, you know. That's where he spends majority of his day. That's where he likes to be, in his man cave, just chilling in the basement. We have two little dogs, right? Two little dogs. So my daddy always talking about the dogs being in the basement, how they gonna use it, how he don't want them down there. Y'all, sometimes they do be using it in the house, just everywhere, like bad, especially Poochie. He be using it everywhere. So we have to get him and pick it up. So today we about to prank my daddy and smash up the Reese cups and put it all downstairs to make it seem like the dogs use the bathroom down there, and we gonna get his reaction, y'all. And if you know my daddy, he's crazy. He is a Gemini, so let that sink in. Yeah. So his reaction might be, we don't know. We just don't know. This is gonna be so freaking funny. You ready to do this banger? I'm ready to do this banger. So let's stop talking and I'm gonna set y'all up so we can get to this video. Let's see. Make sure you can see. Alright guys, so we just got done setting up. I should have set you guys up here while we were doing this because y'all could have saw us, but I need to find somewhere so we can set the camera for the prank as well. But alright, let me show y'all the results of us setting up. All types of Reese's on the floor, smushed up to make it seem like the dogs just booed everywhere. Then we got my dad remote with Reese's on it. We got a few things of his on the floor to make it seem like the dogs just took it, put it on the floor, smashed up. Spot or boo-boo in my spot where my daddy said smashed. Got some on the other parts of the couch. Got some balls over here, y'all. Dookie balls. Oh, dookie balls. Yo, look at this. Not steps are open on the carpet. We got it everywhere, literally. There's no way he's not gonna think the dogs didn't do it. And we also have this fart spray. We have this fart spray that we're about to spray down. And yeah, me and KK set this up. Period. We finna get into this. We finna get into it and see his reaction, y'all. It may take a minute for him to come down, so we just gonna set the camera up and wait for him to come down, and then we're gonna get into it. Let's get it. Let's go. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. It's Vlogmas Day 5. Let's get into this video, y'all. All right, let's get into his reaction. Let's go before he comes down. All right, guys. So we got the fire spray. Look at that. That shit's. Look at that. It stinks really, really bad. This stinks really, really bad. Take the phone. This stinks really, really bad. If you ever smelled this, guys, like really bad. So we about to spray this down, and yeah, we're gonna set the camera up and get his reaction. It stinks really, really bad. Okay. Alright, y'all, the dog's barking. I'm about to tell my mama to try to get my dad to come downstairs. And yeah, let's get his reaction.
Eventually.
Damn! Woo! Oh, hell no! Hell no! Hell no! What the? Man! Oh, hell no! What the fuck? Oh, hell no! What the? This motherfucker!
And you got in your chair.
Motherfucker, man, look at this. Man, wow. I should kick that motherfucker dead in his side. Motherfucker! Look at this. Oh, hell no! My cones? Those my cones? Oh. Man, you got to be out your damn. Man, y'all. Get downstairs. Get in for that motherfucker.
Wait, Daddy, wait. It's a prank. He's about to look the gun. It's a prank.
This is not.
We got him good. Daddy, look. How you feel?
Okay.
How you feel?
We started
My
at
hand.
7:50.
We got him over good, y'all. We got him. Yes. Bangers after bangers. Period. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
We started this video at 7:15.
I told y'all my daddy's gonna go crazy, y'all. He's in gym. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, which the dog almost just lost his life, we have to hurry up and end it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.